Hey guys, it's me Angelina, and today I will be doing a glossy slime tutorial. So let's get started. So first what you're going to want to do is pour in any Elmer's glue. You can use the Elmer's glitter glue, you can use the Elmer's normal glue. And you don't have to use exactly Elmer's, just Elmer's is kind of like the best for it, if you know what I mean. And so I'm just using the normal white glue. But when you're going to use glue for this, you have to make sure it's PVA glue. After that, kind of mix the glue in, because why not? Oh my god, I hate this mixing tool. No, I'm going to switch to a different mixing tool, which will be a lot easier. Okay, so after you put in the glue, you're going to want to take your baby oil and kind of eyeball a teaspoon of baby oil. The baby oil, you only use if you want it to be glossy and smell like diapers. If you want. So after you put in the baby oil, we're going to take a little bit of shaving cream, about one tablespoon. I kind of eyeball it, because why not? Then you're gonna take some cornstarch, about 1.5 teaspoons, and then 2 pumps of lotion. The lotion is optional, only if you want it to be like really stretchy you can add in the lotion. And after the lotion, add in any kind of soap, preferably foaming soap, but I don't have foaming soap right now, so I'm just going to use normal hand soap. The hand soap is optional, just to mix your slime with it. And then you're going to mix it all in, just like that. And make sure to mix it in really well, because if you don't mix it, the shaving cream will be trapped in the shaving cream. Optional. You can either use acrylic paint or food coloring. I don't have food coloring, so I am using this glittery emerald or acrylic paint. There, I think that's enough. And then mix it in really well, because you know it's just bad if you don't mix it in well. It just turns out really bad if you put chunks of it in there. I've made mistakes of that, like that. Mix it in really well. And then you're going to add in your activator, little by little. My activator is 1 teaspoon of borax with hot water. And guys, if you have heard about the incident where the girl got 3rd-degree burns from borax, it's not because of the actual borax. It's because she had allergies that to something that was in the borax. So just adding in my activator little by little. And make sure to not add a lot at once, because if you add a lot at once, it'll just ruin your slime. So yeah, I'm going to fast forward to this part and come back when it's done. Okay guys, so my slime is finally ready. So let's see how this turned out Turned out very stretchy, as I can see. Okay, I think it needs a little bit more activator. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I kind of just failed on myself right now. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. I have slime all over myself. I'm so stupid. What am I doing with my life? I don't know what I'm doing with my life. That's official. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Oh my god, my hands are so dirty. Okay, got my hands washed off. And I need a little bit more activator, apparently. Ha ha ha. Where did my mixing thing go? Where did oh, okay, found it. And I have to mix in that activator really well. Okay, now I think my slime is ready. Now I have to get all of this other slime back into this slime. First I have to kind of play with this slime. Still needs more activator. Oh my god, this is going so bad. This is like a failed slime video. It is. Okay guys, so the slime is finally ready. I fixed it, but now it's not that stretchy because I added in a lot of activator, and I mean like a lot of activator. But yeah, it's pretty good, I guess. I just noticed that I got so much of it on my towel. My face towel. Okay then. But yeah, so this is the turnout of the slime. You guys can probably do better than me. I don't know why I just turned so bad at making it. I just did. But yeah guys, and trust me, this recipe does work. Just somehow I didn't do that well. So yeah guys, bye.